Hey, it's Brett Bogie coming from the 1305 Main Sales Circle, and I'm sure if you've seen some of these descriptions written by real estate agents and they say complete renovation, all they did was do some interior painting. I want to give you the authentic look at the complete renovation that's going on here today at 1305 Main Sale. I believe demo is complete. Flip you around. You can see these stairs are all coming up. It's gonna be gorgeous. Gray wood look vinyl here. Kitchen is cabinets on order, ready to go, completely reconfigured. Flooring is out in the main. All impact glass and doors. This is gonna be a shiplap wall over here, new baseboards, railings, stairs to the second floor. All interior doors are being replaced. We now have the full access to the full bath on the main floor. Laundry room still intact. Here is the bedroom on the main floor, which is gonna tack in here. We'll have dual vanity in this room instead of just a single vanity. New toilet, flooring, full glass shower with surround. Come back out here and you see popcorn will be down, new fans, fixtures, everything will be all set and new. So this is just a little sneak peek of what's coming here in the Sea Colony in Jupiter, Florida. We're excited. Again, this is just steps from the sand, one building away from the beach here. So super pet friendly, great community, and everything is on track. Even though it doesn't look like it, everything is on track and ready to be delivered for season 2020-2021. All right, thanks so much.